there, everybody. Marybeth here, back on another video. Wanted to come in here and share with you this amazing tool, this lead generation tool that I've been using now for quite a while to continue to get great results with my business and with TextBot.ai. Okay, it's called SMS Phone Leads, and I will pop the link in the description below, okay, like I always do. That way you can check it out for yourself firsthand, okay? It's a very simple and a very cost-efficient way to get the word out and to generate leads and build your list for any business, including TextBot. Okay, and I'm just going to do another quick live updated demo for you. I recently upgraded my account, so now I'm able to use the SMS blaster and do 1,000 SMS text messages daily. And I'm going to show you that right now live in the moment. Okay, so you can see for yourself how super easy this is. Anyone can do this. I often get asked all the time, how am I generating leads and continuing to have success with this business? And this is one of the primary tools that I utilize. Okay, I collect these leads and then I redirect them over into my TextBot website. They come through, they watch the presentation. Those that like what they hear and those that like what they see become paid signups. Okay, and you can do the exact same thing and use the exact same process and system. So here we go. Okay, I just recently logged into my account. As soon as you log in, it'll bring you right to this dashboard. You just go up here at the very top and click on Product Access and then select SMS Blaster. Okay, and then of course you want to read all of this and adhere to the rules, okay, which there's just a couple simple rules right here. And you just come on down and you type your message right here, okay? And here's one of the ones that I've been using with really good results. I'll even be happy to share it with you here. You just simply copy and paste it, all right? And this message that I send out daily is, I just found a texting chatbot that pays me $100 when I connect people to her. Check this out here, easydaily100.com. That's my website that I created. A simple little squeeze page, works like a charm, folks. You can use the exact same system, all right, and be getting great results too. So this is the message right here, and of course if you are interested, I'm going to put my link to TextBot below. It's easydaily100.com. So be sure and check that out, as well as with the SMS phone leads if you are interested. And then you just simply, like I said, you make the selection, you type in your message. Step 3, confirm and send. This is a super simple 3-step process. And then you hit this little black and white send now button. Okay, and you just let it go into queue, and this is the queue right here, and it is getting ready to send a brand new list of 1,000 targeted prospects who have expressed an interest in wanting to work from home and wanting to earn extra income from home, and TextBot can absolutely help you to do that. Okay, with every TextBot sign up you earn $100. It's paid directly to you. This is member to member, 100% commission. Okay, now if you would like to, you can increase your earning potential to $500 with Ava Plus. Okay, and that's an amazing tool in and of itself. I also am an Ava Plus member as well. So as you can see, folks, this is currently sending, and it goes through this little wheel, and when it is finished, what it will do is send me a successful message. So I'm going to let you see that for yourself. So go ahead and check all this out. If you have any questions, folks, I am literally just a text or phone call away. My contact information will be below also, okay? 330-787-1795. But before you reach out to me, be sure and go through my website, watch the presentation, and if you have any questions about anything, just go ahead and connect up with me. See, campaign sent successfully. See you tomorrow. So there you go, folks. Campaign sent successfully. See you tomorrow. This is As easy as 1, 2, 3, literally, okay? It's a simple 3-step process. You log in, you choose product access, come down here and type in your message, and then you just simply hit the send button. Anybody can do this. That's how easy it is. The leads, you don't have to worry about buying leads. They're all included when you become a member, a paid member of SMS Phone Leads, okay? And these are really good leads, folks. It's a really good system, and I know that you will love it too. So this is one of the primary tools and ways that I use to continually and consistently market my TextBot AI business. Okay, so check it all out. My contact information is below in the description. Go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Retire with Marybeth, because as I continue to put out new, fresh, updated content and marketing training, you will be notified, okay? I am here to help you. Hopefully this brought some inspiration to you and you're excited to check out my TextBot AI, which is a lead generation tool that you can use to advertise your primary business, and you can also earn $100 commissions and $500 commissions every time you resell this tool. Okay, it's absolutely been amazing. I've been part of TextBot AI since the very beginning, absolutely loving it, and I know that you will too. So thank you very much for spending the last 6.5 minutes with me, allowing me to share with you a great marketing tool that is very simple and very cost efficient to utilize, and it works great. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon on another video. This video was for SMS Phone Leads and TextBot AI. Used in conjunction, folks, you can build a wonderful business. Thank you. Bye-bye.